How to type on a line in Word, how to write above a line in Microsoft Word. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can type on a line in Word or MS Word, or how you can write above the line. Now here you can see I've opened up MS Word on my browser. Now the process is similar on both the MS Word app itself and on the browser itself. So here what you can do is, now as you know, you can put an underline, blank underline here by simply clicking on the blank space here, and then you can press in shift plus the underscore button here, and you can see you'll put an unlimited underline here. Now to type on the line here, or to type on above the line, what you can do is simply click on the line where you want to type in, and then what you want to do is, once you click on it, simply type in what you want to type. Now you can see I typed in and there is no underline here. Now to be able to underline it, what you want to do is highlight the text. You can drag and hold your mouse here, simply left click on the mouse and then drag it to the right until you highlight the text. Now once you highlight it, at the top of the screen here you can see the underline option. You'll find the U icon there and you'll find the underline icon there. Simply click on it and it will be underlined. So you can see it has been highlighted and it has been underlined here. So this way you can type on a line in Word, or you can write above a line in Microsoft Word. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.